I love using Spotify to discover unknown music. But lately, I started wondering whether I was seeing everything Spotify had to offer. Or was I missing something? When I opened the related artists for the post-punk band Suburban Lawns, Spotify showed me 12 recommendations. 12 recommendations isn't bad. But for someone who spends a lot of time searching for forgotten music, it felt surprisingly limited. So I decided to try something different. Instead of using the app, I opened the exact same artist in Spotify's browser version. And that's when I noticed something unexpected. Instead of 12 related artists, Spotify showed me 40. Not 13, not 15, 40. More than 3 times as many recommendations as the app had shown me. This doesn't necessarily mean Spotify has more recommendation data in the browser, but it does mean the browser version makes much more of that recommendation network visible. The more artists you can see, the easier it becomes to move deeper into a scene, discover connections, and find artists you may never have encountered otherwise. For years, I thought Spotify was simply running out of new places to take me. Now I'm not so sure. Maybe I just wasn't seeing the full map. If you're serious about discovering new music, try opening Spotify in your browser and explore the full related artist list. You might find that Spotify has been showing you only part of the picture.